Now we are going to discuss the general statement of intent of the policy. As we know, the policy is having the three components: general statement of intent, organization section, and the arrangement section. Now we will discuss the general statement of intent. It is having the policy to be signed with date by top management who is ultimate responsible for all commitment towards health and safety. General statement of intent is having the aims and objectives. The aims we discussed already, the aims and objectives of the to be kept in health and safety policies. Some aims we are putting here like meeting legal obligations, performance monitoring, effective communication and consultation with workers, to achieve a reduction in the accident or ill health rate, to complete successful number of active monitoring activities, to achieve standard. The general statement of intent is having the roles and responsibilities. The statement of intent of policy on health and safety at work, general statement, recognize that managers and the workers at all levels in the organization have a role to play in implementing health and safety policies. Therefore, clear statement of health and safety policy must be aware to every person and must comply with the policy. The general statement of intent is having the arrangement part also. The arrangement details of the general and specific system and procedures mentioned in the statement of intent for establishing, implementing and maintaining the occupational health and safety management system. So now we see the general statement of intent itself will having the first whatever we are writing into the policy that should be signed with date by the top management. It should have some aims and objectives. It is mandatory to have some occupational safety and health objectives we have to keep. It is a mandatory requirement. Otherwise, that statement will not be considered the effective statement. And in that statement of intent means policy document itself, we should have the roles and responsibilities in these sections and how we are going to achieve our objectives. That arrangement part also we have to keep in general statement of intent. Thanks.